In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping over a certain amount using your WordPress website with WooCommerce. This is a great way to encourage your customers to buy more. Plus, it simplifies the checkout process when they don't have to worry about shipping costs. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to WordPress.com to get started. If you haven't logged in yet, click on the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, where you can control all the settings of your online store. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce settings. You can find this option easily on your dashboard. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce and you'll see a settings option appear. Click on it to open a new page with various tabs. Here, you want to click on the Shipping tab to access your shipping settings. Within the shipping settings, you will see several options, and what we're interested in is the shipping zones. Click on it, and you'll find a list of zones where you've defined shipping options for different geographical areas. Here, you'll want to click Edit next to the shipping zone where you want to add free shipping. Doing so will open up more detailed settings for that specific shipping zone. Look for a section called Shipping Methods within this area, and click on it. This will present you with different methods you can offer. Now, to introduce free shipping, you need to hit the Add Shipping Method button. This action will prompt a pop-up where you can select various shipping options. Choose free shipping from the list, and then click Continue to proceed to the next step. With free shipping selected, there's a little more customization needed. You'll notice an option that says Free Shipping Requires. Click on this to set conditions under which free shipping would be applicable. Here, you'll select the option A Minimum Order Amount. This allows you to specify the minimum total cart value at which free shipping becomes available. Take your time considering what amount would encourage customers to spend more while also being financially feasible for your business. Once you've decided on the appropriate amount, input it into the provided field. This way, customers meeting or exceeding this total will automatically receive free shipping during their purchase. And there you have it. A straightforward yet effective strategy that can boost sales while minimizing cart abandonment. Save your settings and you're all set. As you can see, setting up free shipping with a minimum spend is simple and adds great value to both your business and your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in. And be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your online store.